So I'm a digital nomad that travels a lot, and my work usually consists of making YouTube videos, doing design work, and teaching some courses. So Macbook Pro has been a must for me for several years, and this year when I was traveling around Medellin, Colombia, like someone stole my bag, including my Macbook Pro. I was devastated for sure, and there's another video explaining the whole thing. But right now, I just bought the new MacBook 13 2020, and I have been using it for a few weeks now, so I can finally give you my review. Taking account that what I value in a laptop is portability, performance, and minimalism. So right now, there's a few options for the MacBook Pro, but I bought the high-end model because it has a brighter screen, it renders more colors, and includes a great processor, so I can run Final Cut Pro very smoothly. I can also check my photos, edit them without a problem, or like check the drone shots that are always heavy because they're 4K, and everything runs smoothly with this computer. So I can actually use these speakers to play my music, and I feel totally fine without using any external speakers. I have 1 terabyte of space because I'm using it for all my 4K videos, and as you can see now, I'm using almost half of the space right now because I'm running a few projects. But once I finish those videos, I'll just delete all the footage. So yeah, 1 terabyte is enough, but if I'm making more and more videos with higher quality, like later on, I think I will need more space. The Magic Keyboard, which is the new feature of this MacBook Pro because they used to have the butterfly, it's amazing. Like, it's clicky clacky. I love the sound and the texture when you touch them. It's actually very good improvement from this MacBook Pro. The touch bar is something that I use a lot, especially when I run Final Cut Pro, like all these programs that are made with touch bar on mine. I don't miss the F1, F2 because I actually never use them. So for any problems, troubleshoot that you have, well, you have the escape button. This computer includes 4 USB-C, and I'm totally in that because I'm trying to get all my gear that has only USB-C. My drone has USB-C, the lightning cables has USB-C, my Apple Watch I also have a USB-C, everything that I'm running right now is USB-C. So if I do a quick zoom out, you're gonna see what I'm using right now. So I have the USB-C that powers the computer, and this USB-C connects directly to the camera, so I can actually see from my computer everything that is happening. It's just through USB-C. Yes, I do have some dongles, but just in case, I have like replacement for the USB-C-A, the memory card, and I put all these dongles in my Big Design Tech pouch. If I ever use them, they'll be there. So the things that I don't like about this laptop is the front face camera, which is at 720p, which is like a potato camera in today's world, because within all these online calls, it's better to have a HD camera at least. And also, there's no dedicated graphic as the MacBook Pro 16 has, and that will be ideal for anyone who wants to make films in very small package. So when I'm working from home or I take this laptop to any city, I have this setup where I laid it down in a stand, and I have this extra keyboard and mouse, and the iPad has a second monitor, so it's perfect for my workflow. And yeah, I wish I don't have to use all these things, but I need it for my ergonomics because I spend a lot of the hours working in this spot. But sometimes I take the laptop by itself and I sit down in a couch so I can fully experience the MacBook. So if you're a digital nomad, if you're wondering if you need this new version of the MacBook Pro 13, ask yourself first, are you in the Apple ecosystem? Do you have the iPhone or the Apple Watch? Because everything together it just runs smoothly. Second one, if you care about portability and power, because it's a very small package that run all these heavy programs, which led me to the third question, like, are you a video editor or you do photography or maybe like heavy coder? Like, it will run all those programs without problem. And yeah, that will be my review of the MacBook Pro 13. Hopefully give you a better idea if you need this computer. If you want to know my whole setup, I have another video about it, and also have a video how to use the iPad as a second monitor. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next one. Ciao.